You can always edit this.
Oh.
He's doing the bone dance.
Alright, ready for this?
I'd give it to him in the wrapper. Let him rip it up.
Oh, okay.
And I think he'll rip it to pieces. I'm sure he can smell the bone in there.
There we go.
Does that thing got packaging on it though?
Yeah. Whoa! Look at that! Look, there's a bow on it too. Beef eaters. A mammoth bone. Hold on.
They're not safe. Gonna keep him busy for a couple minutes.
He doesn't even know what to do with it.
Milo, how do you like your bone so far? Milo's a good dog. Milo. That'll keep him busy. He'll have to chew on that thing for a couple of days.
He's not sure what I'm able to start with.
Right. They're both good. Hey Milo, you gotta thank Pat Mahar for that bone.